This strategy right here just made me over 7,000 US dollars right here. Let me just show you exactly what happened and everything else. Last Friday, I was able to actually forecast this gold trade right here. It was a nice drop, a rally, made up of big momentum candles, and I was just waiting for the market to push into this area right here. I shared this on Facebook for free and everywhere for free, right? Now, let me show you what happened. So you can see that the market didn't quite come to the level I wanted it to come to at the end of the day. You can see that I wanted the market to come to this area right here. However, the market didn't come to this level right here. However, as the market was coming to this level, I was looking for areas where I could actually sell from because it was Friday and I knew that the market might not go all the way to this supply zone right here. What happened? What prompted me to even look for a sell signal right here? Let me show you. So you can see that the market was continuously giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. And then all of a sudden, we saw the market giving us a higher low, right? So we have a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we had a lower high right here. So once we have a lower high in an uptrend, it means that there's a potential change of market direction. It's very, very important. So once you have this being formed right here, the market breaking this low right here, it means that the market has potentially changed direction. So all I wanted was for the market to pull back into this zone, and then once the market pulls back into this zone, I was going to take this particular trade right here, and that's exactly what happened. So I just waited for the market. We had also this broke of structure right here. So rally base drop, then we have a pure Y right there. So once the market pulled back into this area, it was game over. I was able to execute this trade right here. And then guess what? I held this through the weekend. And when I woke up today, see what happened. The market had dropped. First of all, it kind of pushed almost to my entry, and then the market ended up dropping all the way to my take profit right here, giving me about 7,000 US dollars right here. It was absolutely amazing trade right there. Let me show you the entry in our signals community right here. I was able to actually take this particular trade and share it in our signals community. This was a trade right here. It was when the market was still at this level right here. This was a drop based rally, broke of structure. The market pushed back into this area just like that, and we executed this trade. 30 pips stop loss and 300 pips target. The market ended up continuing to drop and all the way, and now the market is right here. It was a clean setup. We forecasted the market didn't come to the initial zone, but we know how to actually read price action and we know when the market tells us something, and then we execute it, and the rest is history. Simple price action setup, A plus setup, textbook setup right here. And all this was shared in a private community right there. And then also, guess what? There's another beautiful setup I'm looking at right now on GBP USD. Let me show you right here. GBP USD is here. Where are you? Let me just check for you guys right here. So I was able to forecast this, a drop, a steady break of structure, a ton of liquidity right here, and I wanted the market to push into this area right here. And guess what is happening right now? The market has taken out that liquidity and it's almost coming to my POI. And guess what I'm going to do when this trade actually comes to my take profit to my entry? I'm going to actually execute. You can see that the market is kind of reacting from this zone. Maybe it's an inducement, and I don't want to be caught right there. So you can see that the market is kind of reacting from this level. However, the liquidity I was waiting for has been taken out, so it's just an issue of us waiting and waiting. That's all, no rushing and everything. So we're just going to wait and see how the market responds if it eventually comes to this level right here. Otherwise, that's how it was. That's how it was. And once it's ready, we're going to share this in our private community right there. Otherwise, this was a beautiful trade on gold right here. Well executed, and we followed our rules, and we actually acted when the market told us to actually act. All right, so that's how it is, guys. Make sure you always follow your rules whenever you're actually trading. It's really important. And remember, very soon we are literally 2 hours away from the end of our promotion right here, where we are giving you 88% of our premiums, our M&F mastery course right here, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. So make sure you take advantage of it. We are remaining with only 2 hours from the time you are watching this video, so make sure you take advantage of it so that you actually don't miss out, because once this is done, I'm taking this price back to 250 US dollars. So I hope you take advantage of it, guys. All right, so I hope you found value from this video, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and all those good things right there. Until next time, goodbye, and see you in the mentorship community.